Need EZCAM to edit your post-processor, and there is no time to waste? Now you can make those changes yourself. No technical jargon, no software knowledge, and without depending on anyone. Simply have a conversation with a new EZCAM AI assistant. Let's look at one of the methods you can use for this. In this method, we'll edit our post-processor by comparing two different G-code outputs. First, we generate an output from your current post-processor, the one selected to suit your machine. Then we open that file and edit the sections we want, however we like. We'll add a new home position in X and Y, comments for each operation in the program start and tool change sections. And at the end, we'll add an extra safe place for the X travel. And now we'll save the modified file under a different name. It is wise to make a copy of the original post-processor and rename it. In case we make a mistake at any point, we need to be able to return to the original post-processor. AI can be found in two locations, the top right bar or the button in the bottom corner. First, we click the plug button to upload our new post-processor. Second, we load the original G-code file and then load the file that's been hand-edited. Start your conversation with AI by asking it to compare and change the post-processor to match the second G-code file. I will ask AI to hold off on making changes without my approval. AI makes its suggestions, and I reply by accepting all changes. Now we save and import those changes to the new post-processor to verify its accuracy. Program Star, Tool Changes, and Program End meet all my demands. Now, we permanently save those changes to the post-processor. Now you can eliminate all hand editing and be more productive. EZCAM's AI has your back. Happy programming!